Please introduce yourself, tell something about this exhibition to our viewers.
My name is Mohan Singh Kathayat. I am the General Manager in All India Printing Ink Manufacturers Association. We organize Asia Coat Ink Show every after 2 years for last 20 years. The last exhibition was in the year 2022, and this exhibition we started on 21, 22, and today is the last day of the exhibition. And the exhibition, the participants are from the raw material suppliers to the ink manufacturers. Also those who make inks, they participate in this exhibition. And the turnout, as on today, we have been more than 4,000. Each and every exhibitor has given us a feedback that excellent ever exhibition we have participated with. The next exhibition we have announced, which will be held in the year 2026. On this day itself, most of the exhibitors have confirmed their participation to participate in 2026 Asia Coat exhibition. We also organize for the exhibitors' entertainment a gala dinner night. Yesterday, on 22nd November, in the evening we had an excellent gala dinner night for the exhibitors and media people and other visitors and VIPs. Everybody enjoyed. We have also given the best prizes to 3 categories: the small, the medium, and the big exhibitors. And all the exhibitors have been very enthusiastic to participate. We expect much more than this exhibition in the year 2026. UNESCO has been very kind enough to cooperate and support us in the exhibitions. We also organize international conference on different topics a day before the exhibition starts. This time the international conference was on sustainable and innovative solutions for printing inks and packaging. We had about 250 delegates in the Hotel West End, where the speakers were not only from India but from USA, UK, Japan, Australia and Thailand. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Ramesh Parjapat and I'm Managing Director of the Longley Machineries. It belongs to the Chinese company, and last 20 years we are here in India and we are representing this company, and we are selling that approximately 300 machines in India, all over India. We are the #1 in nanotechnology applications, and we really happy with this exhibition to support, and the people are really supporting to us, and the many exhibitors are coming here to meet, and we get the good business also for this. Last year we were participated, and this year it's a good response from the market. So we are really happy for that, this one. And the people organizers are really they are supporting a very nice way, and this is good. Thank you.
First, introduce yourself, tell something about the classes Pink Ink Technology which you are taken by the association. You participated at classes. Tell something, how was your response and how you got benefited from these classes.
मैं वापी से हूँ. हमारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है वापी में. इंक बनाते हैं हम लोग कोरोगेटेड बॉक्सेस के लिए. ये हमारे लिए बड़ा ही नया सब्जेक्ट था. वी वांटेड टू नो आवर प्रोडक्ट, अंडरस्टैंड आवर प्रोडक्ट, and somehow I got to know about these online printing ink classes by Subhash Srivastava sir, and it has been an amazing experience for me. ना ही मुझे अपनी इंक के बारे में, बल्कि अब मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ कि मुझे किस इंक में डाइवर्सिफिकेशन करना है. सिर्फ यही नहीं पता चला कि मैं जो इंक बना रही हूँ वो कैसी है, वो कैसे बनानी है, उसे ठीक कैसे रखना है, एथिकली, प्रोफेशनली, पर्सनली कैसे प्रिंटिंग इंक की एसोसिएशन को या प्रिंटिंग इंक के बिज़नेस को हमें आगे लेके जाना है, ये सब हमें सिखाया गया. तो इसके लिए मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आई फील इंस्पायर्ड, आई फील एलिवेटेड एंड आई फील वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट नाउ. जो कॉन्फिडेंस हमें नहीं था वो कॉन्फिडेंस अभी है. वी नो how rightly to move ahead on this path now. Thank you to AIPMA, thank you to Mohan sir, and thank you to Subhash sir.